Look at this yummy chicken biryani. Watch the video, I'll show you how to prepare it. Firstly, wash the rice and let it soak in water for minimum 1 hour. Next, peel, wash and slice the onions to make fried onions. Fry in hot oil on medium heat until golden brown color. Add a pinch of salt to the onions for crispness. Stir occasionally. Once ready, remove and set it aside. Now peel, wash and cut the potatoes in half. Marinate with 1 tsp salt and a pinch of yellow food color. Fry them in the same oil on medium heat until light golden color. Remove and set it aside. Next, wash and cut chicken leg into pieces. Marinate with salt, black pepper, garlic ginger paste, sliced onions, chopped coriander, chopped mint, chillies, fried onions, biryani spices, garam masala powder, honey and yogurt. Mix them well. Add a pinch of yellow food color. Add half cup of oil. You can use the same oil that was used to fry the potatoes. Add the potatoes and add water until it covers the chicken. Taste the mixture and add more salt if necessary. In another recipient, boil water on medium-high heat. Add salt, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, cumin seeds. Once water starts boiling, drain and add soaked rice. When water starts boiling again, use a slotted spoon to transfer the rice. Do not overboil or underboil the rice. For first layer, cook for 2 minutes. For second layer, 3 minutes more. And for the last layer, it must be half cooked. Transfer to cooking pot by layers, adding fried onions in between. Top with fried onions and ghee. Pour little yellow food color mixed with water and saffron thread. Place an aluminum foil on top and cover with lid. Let it cook over high heat for 5 minutes. Then let cook for 25 minutes on low heat. Chicken biryani is ready. Hope you enjoy this new recipe. Try it and let me know. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thanks for watching.